It's John Morris. It is extremely common for companies to refer to opportunities differently. Some call a lead that has not been vetted well an opportunity, while others call leads that are far down the sales funnel an opportunity. The challenge with this is that by not having a universal language, it is difficult to understand what a person means when they say they have an opportunity. It is crucial within your organization that everyone from the sales team, the marketing team, and the executive team have a common language as it relates to sales opportunities. This way, everyone is on the same page in terms of the quality of the sales pipeline.
John has always been a master of languages.
And he did start speaking very early.
And he never stopped.
Guys, please. One methodology we recommend is to ensure that every opportunity falls under what we call BANT, which is an acronym that stands for budget, authority, need, and timing. Let me briefly explain each one of them. Number one is budget. Does the prospect actually have the budget to hire you? The last thing you want to do is spend too much time on a prospect to find out that they cannot afford your services. I generally recommend identifying their budget fairly quickly, or let them know what your fees will be. Number two is authority. You want to ensure that you are speaking with the decision maker. Many times I've seen a salesperson spending way too much time trying to win a deal, only to find out that the individual they are speaking with actually has no authority. I would recommend asking if someone is the ultimate decision maker or if there are others that need to be involved in the decision. Number three is need. A great salesperson does not try to sell, but rather truly tries to understand the pain of the prospect and provide a specific solution that will solve their problem. If your solution is the right fit for them, then you know that there is definitely a need for your product or service. Number four is timing. Is the prospect actually looking to make a decision in a short period of time? Your job is to work hard to determine if the prospect is simply window shopping, or are they truly looking to find a solution and make a decision quickly? If your lead meets all four of these criteria, then they have met the BANT principle and you can officially consider them as an opportunity. Having everyone in your company use this definition ensures that the difference between a lead and a true business opportunity is clearly understood. This will make everything easier for everyone. So let's get growing.